Hey there, fans of Tuckers Cove. Roberto here at Tuckers Cove, and we are previewing this inventory home here. This is the Areca floor plan, also known as the Marsala in other communities. And this particular home here is 3 bedrooms, 3 baths. You get the 2-car garage, over 2,200 square foot. Let's walk inside and take a look. So as you enter the Areca, you have a nice entry space here. But off to our left is the first guest bedroom here. We've got plank tile flooring here in this home. No carpet in the bedroom here. You've got a walk-in style closet. And then you've got your guest bath here with the singular sink, the commode, and your combination tub and shower there. Now coming back out to the main area, right here you have your den space. So not only do you get the 3 bedrooms, but you also have a dedicated den here for your use as an office or additional sitting room and the like. Now right across from the den, that's access to your 2-car garage, and then you've got your laundry space here with your utility sink, some additional storage above the full-size washer and dryer. You do get a full appliance package in this home, all of their homes actually. And here's the next guest bedroom here. This one's really nice because now it has your ensuite bathroom, so you get the singular sink, the commode, and this one's gonna have the standalone shower right here. So this bedroom has the ensuite bathroom, which is a really nice setup. And then that's going to lead us into the main living spaces here on the Areca. So you start with the kitchen right here, walk right into it. You do have a gas cooktop, which is really nice. Plus here at Tuckers Cove, your corner pantry, you get the full-size appliance package, quartz countertops, plenty of room here for additional seating. And then this is your living space would be right here. That's typically where you're gonna have your TVs right here on this wall. And then right over here, you'll notice on the ceiling, the electric cap here, that would be your dining fixture, and you might have a dining room table right there as well. Now, last but not least, on the inside here, you've got the master bedroom. So plenty big enough for a king-size bed here. And you've got his and hers walk-in closets, really nice closet space offered in the Areca floor plan here. Again, also known as the Marsala in other communities of that Lennar offers in Southwest Florida. Here you got your master bath with the dual sinks, your enclosed water closet right here, and then you've got this really large walk-in shower here as well. Now last but not least is the viewpoint on this Areca floor plan. So coming through the triple sliders here, you have a really nice sized lanai under truss here. So plenty of space to hang out and enjoy the views of your lake right back here. And there's also plenty of room to add a pool if you wanted to. All right, folks, so this floor plan is ready to be offered on right now. If you're interested, you can contact us at all of the information that you see below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto. We appreciate you watching.